Good evening, all. Hello, hello. I had to pull my hair back. You know, sometimes you just want to play with your hair too much and it gets annoying, so you pull it back. Hands off. Hello, fellow night owls. What's the Hotchkiss quote? From Treasure in the Royal Tower. How does it feel being... Not a fellow night owl. It's the one about being up and about when others are sound asleep. I love that quote. Anyways, this is just kind of a test stream. Don't mind me. Starting to get tired, but I've got about 45 minutes to tinker around with stuff. Let me see if I can't get my stream set up so that you can see what I'm working on. This is going to be a desktop. I'm trying to get Streamlabs to work for me. Hello, Tori. Hello, Bree. Let's see. Desktop capture, is it? Let's see. Yeah, that's the one. Cool. Is it gonna work for me? Yes, please do capture my monitor. Is it not going to appear? I've got a few million. Hello, Brittany. My desktop is not showing up. Do I have something blocking it? Game capture, don't want that. Showing up in my preview, but it's not showing up for you. Let's try duplication here. Not showing. It'll show here. I wonder if it's because it's conflicting. Display capture. Because I want it to go here. Yeah, I don't want that monitor. I want this monitor. Alright, so if we switch over here though. That's that bottom right corner. I don't want that. This is set up for 800 or 640 by 480. It's not the one I want. Yeah, that's odd that it's not showing up for me. Stream Deck? No, I don't need that. Oh. I had it locked, that's why. Get back here. Here you go. Okay, this is my first monitor, my main one. Somehow I accidentally moved it. Anyways, I'm trying to get loyalty points set up. Let me see if I can't adjust so I can see your guys' chat. Hello, America! What are you guys working on? Are you just relaxing? Alright, so I've been trying to add points to viewers this entire time, and every time I do it, the points do not accumulate. Hey Brittany, there's you! This was before I even set this all up. You guys had been accumulating tiny little points here and there, but I increased the rate so that every 5 minutes you get like a lot more points. So the idea is that we set up these loyalty points so when you're watching a live stream like you are right now, if you chat at least once in the feed, then it identifies you as someone who's here and watching, which is great. And then if I go into the store here, you can see the animated GIFs that I have created. It's mostly all Emperor's New Groove. I didn't want to get too carried away because there are a lot more I want to make. However, I can't get these ones to even work for me. Now I can preview test them. How do I do that? I mean, they're set up, but where is... No, that's not what I wanted. Oh, that was what I wanted. Streamlabs, because I went to their... I think that was something that I was missing. Hey, can someone in chat type exclamation points and see if something shows up. Exclamation points. And see if it'll show up for you. I think I had to make Streamlabs a moderator. Thank you, America. I appreciate it. In order for... Alright, I'm going to go into YouTube Studio and see if they're even a moderator. Because it says right here, go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Community, and adding Streamlabs, which is what I was just looking at right here. Add them. At Streamlabs, copy. I'm gonna go into my YouTube settings. Okay, it's what, community? Let me go back to that scene so I can see it. Settings, community. Okay, does it have to be a managing moderator or a standard moderator? Let's make it a managing moderator as well. There are more Streamlabs in here than these guys. Okay. Save. And I've removed Stream Elements as a moderator, so they shouldn't be able to type in here. Should I see anything, though, in my chat? Because, the mod is supposed to be activated. Okay, so if it was a managing moderator, what if I did redeem lever? Negatory. I don't really know how to make these work. Because I've got CloudBot. CloudBot is activated. Check. It's set up for YouTube right here. Check. I have set them as a standard moderator and a managing moderator. Check. Okay. Let's go into settings of the loyalty tab here. I have named the name of the currency as gems. Loyalty system is on. Every 5 minutes, you guys get 15 points, or gems, as I like to call them. You get more if you subscribe, more if you are a member, more if you donate. Okay, these are all standard default settings for the app here. I can change these, no problem. But if I go over to here, within the alert box, launch the widget. Do not show on stream. Okay, one moment. Don't look. What is it doing? I'm getting a black screen over here. Look, it's black. What's wrong with this scene here? Also, just FYI, the music I'm playing is from Creator Mix. You can find them on YouTube. Nick and Dee Nimmin, the Nimmin brothers, have put together a whole bunch of music that is copyright free. If you ever want to use some of their stuff, you're welcome to it. They also have it downloadable on their website, but you can go to Creator Mix, the YouTube channel, and find all kinds of music. So I put together a playlist for myself. Oh, I used this music for the twins video. I can't unhear it without thinking about that. Okay. Oh, show the URL. Okay. I'm going to copy the URL. I want the widget to launch. Okay. Add an alert box source directly to Streamlabs desktop or Streamlabs plugin for OBS, or add the URL above as a browser source in another software. key. Let's hide that widget URL. And I will show you. Here is what my OBS looks like. It's chaos at the moment because it's filming itself multiple times in here. Okay, let's set up the alerts. Replace the URL here. Delete, paste. Okay. So the alerts will show up in the upper right corner. There. Hopefully. Crossing fingers. I can't listen to this music without thinking about that video, and it's a sentimental video. Okay. Shall we test the variation? Well, I mean, the test showed up just fine. Variation name is called sanitary. Yeah, okay. Image, yep. Sound is correct. The way it appears and the way it plays is perfectly fine. So in the alert box, we're fine. So it is a stream perk, yes. This is the cheap one. I was going to use this one as testing. It only costs 10. Kronk gasp. Okay, so redeem via chat. So here we go. Let's copy this. Redeem Kronk gasp. Let's try typing that in and see what happens. Redeem Kronk gasp. Yeah, I'm not even getting any acknowledgement from the Stream Elements mod. It's not showing up in my chat at all. Okay. Redeem shows alert. Save. Let's try that again. Kronk gasp. Nothing from Stream Elements. What could I possibly be missing? Okay, CloudBot is activated. We might have to go to a YouTube tutorial on how to fix this, because I am not getting any sort of feedback in my live chat. Maybe this is an OBS thing. Well, I mean, it's clearly finding it, but somehow the response. Let's see, we've got giveaways, master volume for alerts. I used this soundtrack too for the twins video. All right, let's take a look at what is this? Where did I go to test these things out? Let's go to mission. Let's try this one just for funsies. Test variation. Can you hear that mission accomplished that Kronk says?
Mission accomplished.
Yeah, great. Okay. Thank you for the hearts. Mission accomplished. Message template, name, redeemed product here. Wait, no, you can't hear it? You can't hear mission accomplished?
Mission accomplished.
Pretty quiet. Pretty quiet. Not hearing any sound? Ooh. That's problematic. You saw it, but you couldn't hear it. Okay, I could hear it. Ha. Ha ha ha.
Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished.
Okay, so it does exist. You heard it. Okay, okay, okay. That's progress. That's progress.
Mission accomplished.
Okay, so clearly the testing of this is going correctly.
No! You threw off my groove.
And my all-time favorite one.
Pull the lever, Gronk.
Oh yes, we must have dessert.
Well, I suppose there's time for dessert.
And coffee.
A dessert 10 coffee. Frozen. This is my family motto whenever we enter each other's house.
Woohoo! Hi, family!
Oh, and this one when my sisters and I do something shameful.
All right, that's it. Dishonor. Dishonor on your whole family. Make a note of this. Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow.
Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow. Good night, Bree. Thank you for hanging out and stopping by. Have a lovely evening. Okay. Let's do a research. There's so much junk on my webpage. Streamlabs. How to test loyalty rewards. Not test. How to set up loyalty rewards. Streamlabs, loyalty rewards, blah, blah, blah. I've read these already. How do I set it up? To get started, all you need to go here to a different web page. Make sure the CloudBot is enabled first. Simple as clicking the switch. Sure it is. Clicking a switch, that's all to it. Activate CloudBot. Okay, that looks different. CloudBot. Streamlabs CloudBot is a chatbot that provides entertainment and moderation features for your stream. Once you have the bot enabled, click on Create New Item to create a loyalty store item. Okay, I did this. Currently 3 types of items that can be made. Use access code when you have stream keys. I don't have Steam keys. Sound effect, stream perks for anything that doesn't fit in the above 2 categories. Examples include following your viewers on Twitch, Twitter, Snapchat. Once you decide what type of item you want to create, I did. Fill in the name and description of the item so your viewers know what they're receiving. Okay. Afterward, you can customize the loyalty cost, quantity, and cooldowns. The cooldowns allow you to prevent users from continually redeeming an item and potentially annoying you. Oh, I could see that. All good. Thumbnail image is this. Okay. You can add the sound file. Yeah, I created a GIF, GIF. This is for access codes. If you want the item to show an alert notification on stream, you can enable this by checking Redeem Shows Alerts. I did that. Next, adjust the way codes are dispersed, whether they're unlimited or given out randomly. I don't do that. Okay, I did set this up correctly. Okay, if you need extra information from your viewer to fulfill their redemption, you can add requirement fields. There's at least one requirement. I don't need that. How do my viewers redeem items? Yes. What's this? 2 ways. Through chat or your tip page. Okay, chat. Viewers can redeem items through the chat while you are streaming. This can be done by using redeem keyword, and the item will be immediately redeemed if possible. It is not possible to redeem items with 2 or more requirements through chat. Okay. You can redeem items directly from your tip page. Click redeem. Oh, I could set this up. I suppose I could set up a page. Let's play music again. Customize CloudBot redemption alerts through your alert box. Customize the alerts through alert box. Okay, I did that. Okay. Category called CloudBot Redemption that allows you to customize them. This customization works exactly the same as all of our other alerts. That's it? The end? But I did this. Okay, how do I get Stream Elements to work in here? Stream Labs. Excuse me. Streamlabs. That's not the one I wanted, though. Of course the testing works. Wait, what if I typed in, what happens if I put a quote in? Nodding off, good night. Oh, you're gonna turn on Pride and Prejudice. Nice. Stream Elements, go away. It's not you I'm asking for. I'm Stream Lab I'm going for. Oh my goodness. Maybe that's the problem. Enjoy Pride and Prejudice, America. Thank you so much for your encouragement, my friend. Have a lovely evening. Appreciate those hearts. Okay. So clearly I have Stream Elements still in. Do I have to add monitor in here? Okay, hang on. I have an idea. Okay. YouTube, how to add a moderator. Settings, community. I did exactly all that. Okay. Negatory. Whoa, hey Hugh. You like the late night vibes? Happy Thanksgiving, Hugh! Yeah, I kept thinking Canada's Thanksgiving was last weekend, but it's what, this weekend? Happy Thanksgiving, Hugh. I am currently trying to figure out how to set up my loyalty redemption videos, and the test stream is working great, but I'm not getting Streamlabs to cooperate in the live stream. Oh, it's today? Why is it today? It's today? Oh my goodness, that adds extra value to the people who were saying Happy Thanksgiving earlier. Happy Thanksgiving today, Hugh. Happy Canadian Thanksgiving. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm trying to get Streamlabs to cooperate with... See, now the app tells me to go to streamlabs.com. And this is where I've been the entire evening. Okay, YouTube, active. Word protection emote. I don't know what that is. Okay, hang on. CloudBot is activated. Chat box, perhaps? Okay. Do I have to enable a widget? Configure platform is for YouTube, correct. Font, chat delay, no. Text, background, extra emotes, badges. It's not what I wanted. Okay, I still need to uninstall Stream Elements. It's not playing, it's not responding to anything in chat. Whenever people try to type in a command of any kind, like a quote, Stream Elements is the one that's operating. I want to uninstall Stream Elements. And I want to add Streamlabs. So, I can show you my behind the scenes. So if I go to community, hey look, Hugh, did you know you're a moderator? Yeah, see, Stream Elements is working great. And I don't even have them as... Sorry, I just showed you all the swear words that I block from my channel. I block off a lot of swear words. Yeah, managing moderator and a standard moderator. Oh, they're not in here. They were bumped up to here. Maybe I need them to be... they were down here first. Yeah, stream. I need to uninstall Stream Elements somehow, and I don't know how to do that. You know what? I'm gonna go to. I wonder if this is an OBS thing. Here's my OBS. Well, when I test the videos, they're coming through fine. They're coming through the alerts. It's through chat that I'm having some trouble. In the live chat is where none of it is cooperating. So as soon as it cooperates, I'm pretty confident that my videos will play for people. Let's try the alert box. Ah, it just keeps taking me back to the desktop. That's the annoying thing with this little app. Hey, what? What? Where? What happened? Stream Elements is linked to your OBS. I'm some sort of plugin. Oh, I did install it as a plugin. I thought it was working. Yeah. Is it this one? I did this already, though. I wonder if it's gonna crash the OBS stream because it might have to restart. Somehow I need to figure out how to get rid of Stream Elements though too. I'll do that some other time. Hugh, how are you doing? How's it going? The apps page on your settings. Somehow I need to uninstall Stream Elements from OBS. Oh, I still have Photoshop open. So I got Streamlabs. Oh, Streamlabs seems to be here because this keeps popping up. Start streaming. Plugin, restyle flags, test events, Streamlabs, Loyalty Store Redemption. This is very basic. Yeah, it's working. Let's go to CloudBot. Ah, manage on here. Okay, back to here. CloudBot is on. Subscribers, managers, CloudBot Redemption enabled. Okay, uncheck, check. Got it. See, it works. It works. Oh, from the uninstall apps. Okay, for Stream Elements. Yeah. I have a little bit of a minor head cold, but I'm doing okay. One sec, I need a tissue. Pardon me. I don't want to restart any instances of OBS. I know it's working because it's showing up here because it keeps pinging me to go back to the desktop here. And then it's showing here in this dock right here. Alerts are definitely working. The chat. Hey, Coco and Chamomile, welcome to the stream. We're still trying to troubleshoot why Streamlabs is not cooperating with my live streams. Now, I thought I added them as a moderator correctly. Well, since you guys are both here, you want to see what I've got, though? I can show you how it is working. It's very the audio is kind of faint. Let me see if I can't turn it up a little bit for you. where'd it go? The redemption of it is here. Test variation. There was an echo, sorry. It's so quiet. It's super quiet. How do I adjust the volume? Volume is 100% here. Desktop audio. Classic. I'm a classic Disney person. And this one's a newer Disney. Let's bump the volume up on that 100% here. Save the settings. Test.
Hi, family.
The volume in OBS right here is set as desktop. The desktop audio here, it's set as 0 decibels. Yeah, desktop monitor and output. Yeah, I want it outputting. And then I just really loved this one. Let's bump this one up too. This is a very important one. There's always time for dessert.
Well, I suppose there's time for dessert.
And coffee.
There's time for dessert and coffee. You use that too with your family? Oh my gosh. Whenever my sisters and family members enter each other's houses, that's the first thing we say to each other. We just enter each other's houses and go, yoo-hoo! Hey, family! Love it. I'm gonna bump this one up too. I thought this was appropriate anytime I finished something.
Mission accomplished.
You gotta have this version too. Yeah, Spigs. Oh, hey, Spigs Gaming. How are you doing? You're more proficient at all this than I am. Yeah, it's quite possible that the OBS plugin for Streamlabs is not cooperating as well as standard Streamlabs. I don't want to have to set all of my stuff up all over again in Streamlabs. I mean, I could. I could work with that. I'm just so used to OBS, though. But, surely. Oh, and this is a quick, easy one. And then my favorite all-time quote from The Emperor's New Groove.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
You can export all of my settings from OBS and import them into Streamlabs. Maybe? Maybe? I've been using OBS for streaming, yes, and then Streamlabs for the redemption. Yes, that is correct. That's what I am trying to do. I'm trying to use it as a plugin in OBS. I wonder if I have to update OBS. Please don't tell me I have to do that. Docs. Streamlabs. Chat is in here. Streamlabs recent events is in here. I know, right? Updating. Spigs, what have you been playing these days? I haven't been able to follow as much as I would like. Let's try this again and see if it acknowledges. It's not acknowledging. Now, I wonder, do I have to... So I've got the different CloudBot redemptions set up. Do I have to also create a chat command? Where is it? I've got multiple boxes up here. Chat box? No. Show moderator badges. Where's the Here we go, dashboard. That should help. Maybe. Alert box, chat box, cloud bot. All right, fine. Let's take a look at the chat box here. Where is the commands? There should be a section for commands. Let's go to CloudBot. Oh, here we go. Commands. Okay, hang on. These are the only 2 commands that are in this list. You're playing Until Dawn, the remake. I'm gonna try to save everyone. Good for you. And Nancy Drew Games. Classic. Classic. I'll have to look into that Coco and Chamomile and Hugh. Exporting all my OBS settings into Streamlabs settings. Hang on. Let's try in chat and see what happens when I type in lurk. Is Stream Elements going to acknowledge now? Not Elements. Go away. I want Streamlabs. Blast it all. I might have to do it. I might have to convert to Streamlabs. Let's do uptime. Wait, you might know what to do? Coco and Chamomile? Do you have a lead? Counters. I don't know what that is. Quotes. I've got all my quotes in here. I added them last year. You believe you had this issue when you tried setting up Streamlabs? Ooh. Ooh. It's got to be something with the chat. Oh, yeah. Because these commands are not working. Oh, that's that. My quotes are working. I remember at one point both Streamlabs and Stream Elements were running at the same time, and then people got double like the quotes. It was hilarious. It made all your sound commands work. Yeah. Yeah. YouTube. Huh. That might have to be what I do. Let's see. It's loading. Well, it's going to take 8 days for it to load. It's working on it. This is a journal page printout that I'm working on. You probably saw it from my video thumbnail. It's going to be the inside of my gamer journals that I am working on making. Here. Is it going to load for me? Maybe? Working on it. So there's going to be space here for personalized engraving. Oh boy. Yeah, and I've got a very... We spent a little more money than... we first got a cheap hole puncher, but then it was just kind of crappy. So we returned it. Got a nice hole puncher, so we get these perfect square hole punches. Not in the wood. The wood has to be laser cut for that, but the pages will have to cooperate. Or be punched like that. I got cookie stickers now. Do I have to set this all up from scratch? I started doing that at one point. Hang on. I'm not going to set it all up until I can be certain. Will it pull? CloudBot, alert settings, CloudBot. Here we go. No! Why does it always bump me over to this dashboard? You want some cookie stickers? You betcha. You know what's annoying though? They look like they're white, they're actually transparent. However, if you put them on a solid item, it'll kind of shade in with that background. It's kind of, it's annoying. I tried doing it on a matte white and the quality was just so poor. I preferred this transparent cookie. I was actually using this as, these were leftover pieces. I had space on my special paper, so I just threw some cookies onto the empty spaces. I didn't want to waste the paper, so I just filled it with something. If I want to remove stream elements from my YouTube chat, head to your YouTube settings, community, remove the stream elements. Oh, I did that earlier today. Is my stream deck even working for me? It's working. Okay, good. Well. Oh. I don't know if you guys are into jewelry, but I'm using the leftover pieces of my wood projects to make earrings. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry. These are little tiny Xbox inspired earrings. Yeah. I also have Switch inspired and PlayStation inspired. Anyways, what was I doing? Distraction. Music is fun. Widescreen gaming. Do I have alerts set up? Can I test it? Will it test in here? Dashboard. My mini tabs. I don't want that.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
Up. Okay, it's working in OBS. It's not showing up for me here. Odd. Remove stream elements. Okay, hang on. Yeah, so here are my channels, or my moderated channels. I've got Italian Gamer Joe and Hugh as standard moderators, and I've got Streamlabs in here. I did have stream elements. Remove them. Oh, sorry, I'm not even showing them screen. I did have stream elements in here and I removed them. Oh, and I wanted permission from live redirects. Oh, all channels can live redirect. Yeah. So I think that's set. Okay. I bet this won't show up. Okay, the alerts are here. Test widgets. Oh, here we go. CloudBot redeem. Okay, it's showing up in OBS, but it's not showing up in this scene. Stream elements overlay. Shutdown source when not visible. This is a tricky one. I don't know why it's not cooperating. I wonder if I just have to update OBS because I've applied the plugin. I don't know. And every time I click on a button, it takes me back to the browser version of this. Okay, so I added them as a moderator. Yeah, I'll have to play around with stream elements later. Control audio via Streamlabs desktop. Huh? Sure. That makes sense. It could be because I'm recording / streaming from OBS, trying to do things in Streamlabs as well. Yeah, you're probably right. Yeah, it's a lot of tech work, Spigs. And I just don't know why it's not cooperating, because I'm following all the guides. But we know it's showing up, and it's showing up just fine in my stream. It's the getting the chat commands to work, and that's why I'm suspecting that commands have to show up here. Like, do I have to add a command? However, the commands that exist in here are not even showing up in my chat, and that's what's concerning. I did download Streamlabs. I'm not gonna do that again. I might have to revisit this. Yeah, see, uptime, thank you, Hugh, and lurk, they exist, but Stream Elements is gonna ping you. Yeah, it's got to be this. It's got to be the chat bot somehow. Activate cloud bot. Yeah. Commands. Chat box. Let's go to chat box. Is there something I'm missing in here? Emotes. Okay. Configure platform is for YouTube. Check. Use the URL below. This is for the overlay though, right? The chat box to show up on stream. I don't think that's what I want. What I want... Wait. No. Stream labels, poll, chat highlights, the game widget, chat box, back to dashboard. CloudBot. Is there a way to enable CloudBot? It's activated. Let's unactivate it. Activate. Come on. Oh, no. Okay. Protection level is off. Mod tools. Okay, name, modules. Chat alerts, emotes, commands. Yeah, these two commands should be here. It holds all the bot power. It'll let you add sound commands and track loyalty and all that. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm trying to get it to do. Good night, Hugh. I'm getting super tired here. I gotta end very soon, too. Thank you for popping by. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening. Sleep well. Tomorrow morning I'll be playing Riven. Maybe in between now and then I'll re-update OBS or something. Quotes, loyalty. Can I add 100 more points? Is it queued up a loyalty payout? Yeah, but these have not been changing. So something in the chat is not cooperating. Oh, okay, yeah, the chat box in Streamlabs and Stream Elements is the way to have your chat in one, your sources in OBS to have a chat shown. Yeah, I don't want chat to be shown. I like chat on the side. Hey, Jordan. Hello and good night. I'm about to end because I'm getting really tired too. This is the loyalty store. If you guys have ideas for loyalty items to redeem, I was going to start looking into the Nancy Drew things to add here. I probably have a few other... I'm going to look into Psych, my favorite TV show. Maybe even I Love Lucy, and find some to put in here. Are there any other... Oh, I inactivated it. Okay, here we go. Okay, YouTube Studio settings, community, and adding Streamlabs as a moderator. I did that. My redemptions? That was for Susie Should Be Streaming. That's her stuff that I used. perks, history, don't have history. Yeah. Daniela, and you have a few fun Nancy Drew themed ones. They're so much fun. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Muffins? Wait, where's that from? I love Psych. Psych is my favorite TV show of all time. Along with I Love Lucy. Yeah. Psych is the reason why I bought my car. It wasn't blue though, so I couldn't call it the Blueberry. Yeah, I'll have to revisit this conundrum later. And call it a day. I need to get going because I'm quite tired. And I'm not getting anywhere. Yeah. Oh, it is from Psych. Oh my gosh, I haven't... There's like 8 seasons and I haven't watched them in a long time. I want to rewatch it. The girl falls from the 2nd floor of the Catholic school. Oh my goodness. I forgot about that episode. My favorite seasons are 1 through 4. Anyways, I'm gonna call it a day. Good night, all. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you will have a wonderful evening. Jazz, hello and goodbye. I gotta look for that episode now and capture that. I love it. Bye.